War Day number 1008. 1008 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Wednesday, November the 27th, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the binary. And in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with this one, the binary, number 9664. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double ones. Double ones. Double ones. Double ones. Double ones. Now the double O's. Here one, there one. 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 Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Now the double ones, there no. Double ones, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, there no. Let me think. Double ones, double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no. Double ones, here no. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Then let me see. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. One, two, three, four. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we will have 3 O's in a row in the first row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Double O's, here one, there one. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, the 5th O, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be an O, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Then, yeah, now I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Think. Well, double O's, overlook. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 there, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this column, not allow one of the rules. So this can mean, oh, this should be a 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here, the 5th O, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Yeah, now think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about here? We need to compare, I believe. We need to compare. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here or there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we need to compare. Let me compare the last column here. We have a double 1. No double ones here. How about here? We have a double ones. Here we have a double. Oh, this is not completed. Okay. This I cannot compare 101. Do we have a 101 here? No. Well, it will be difficult. How about this one then? 001. 001, no. Well, what's happening? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 10. 8 minutes already passed. Still thinking. Overlook something. We have the... Yeah, we have here overlooked this column and the last column. Well, alright. Let's go. 0011111111100. Empty box 00. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. 9 minutes. We solve again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.